Hi and hello viewers. Today I am going to discuss you how to draw a fixture plate. Actually, this fixture plate is going to give a perfect handling to locate a pin. This is just for a simple example for a example application for you to understand the design concepts. For that, in SolidWorks, click the new and do port. Click port icon. Click OK. This will start to load a work area. Now it is got the work area now. So click extruded boss and base. Now you prompted to get a plane. Which plane you are have to going to choose. Select the top plane. In order to you are going to produce a top view of the plane. Which is using the top view. I am going to extrude the material. Here the units are all in meters, so we can change it to millimeter as I shown here. Now after changing these units, it is automatically changed to which you can see now. Exit the sketch, click exit sketch button, then you are forwarded to that boss extrude operation. Just view in the right left side panel here. In there actually you just you have to chamfer this material. Since chamfering is required only not only for material is looking good, the project is looking good. Since the material that when you are handling such material, that weight of the material can be reduced using this chamfer. Not only the not only that for doing the chamfering only, it will not reduce that weight, overall weight, but some more little much space you can change. And not only the chamfering is doing for looking good, that visual looking will be very good, and the material handling will be very easy. Normally for deburring means clearing the sharp edge after machining a component. This for deburring means fillet command we can choose to do like fillet. Fillet means just edge will be arc, like it will be blend. Here the chamfer is done for the purpose um, just for maximum chamfer is done for purpose of deburring. Here I am choose that chamfer 10 by 10 and the degree is 45. Just you are seeing now how I am doing chamfering. Click the extruded cut. You are going to do a extruded cut, which means doing by projecting the cut plane into that object, into the material. You can produce a cut hole. Here I am going to produce a cut hole by drawing the circle. Before drawing a circle, you just required a reference line. This reference line will be able to locate a coordinate or a point to measure or draw a circle. So just we can do it by taking a point command, by placing a reference point also you can do. But simply line means that I am choosing from the midpoint of that one face, one edge, like you just seeing that left side from the edge. I am choosing that edge midpoint. I am choosing this reference point for doing a reference line, because this all the circles will be on same line, with the center to center distance will be 25, 50 and 75 as shown. I am showing here. Just do the circle and do a smart dimension by editing that all the circle. diameter. Then click by using the trim entities command here, just trim the just erase, like you can do easily. Just click and drag. All that lines are going to be disappear, which will be deleted. Maybe if you want means you can undo by pressing Ctrl plus Z. Just click exit sketch. You are now forwarded to cut extrude. Just choose through all, because because the application here is prompted here the extruded plane to be in through all of that object here. So looking here, you are doing now a chamfering for this circle. Actually I am choosing the chamfering as 5 mm. Hold on the control key, select that edge of the circle, not the plane. You have to choose the circle edge and click OK. The chamfer will be done. You can rotate by middle mouse button. Using the middle mouse button you can rotate and see that. Just like here, I am taking the position. For that also I am doing the chamfer for a bottom side edge of the hole. Same 5 mm, sorry 0.5 mm, both side 0.5 mm is required. All the edges will be 0.5. That face 5 mm chamfer I am choose to locate a countersink screw. Yeah, for this purpose a countersink screw will be sit on a tapered chamfering chamfered like extruded cone cut. To that countersink screw will be fitted in here. Bottom side 0.5 is to deburring the when it is for normally producing a hole in a material, drilling operation is maximum chosen. Boring is normally for a rad condition for a maximum diameters and accuracy on this hole, so that boring is chosen. So normally drilling operation only chosen. For the drilling means there will definitely produce a edge will be a sharpen will be, because the material will be tears off and project outside from the material. So you have to deburr for 0.5 mm. This material required 0.5 mm to deburr all this projection, and due to the press force drilling operation, that projections and that sharp metal will be removed. So now just after designing it, just save that as a part file. I am choosing as this file name as a base flat fixture plate. Yes, it is saved. And now you have to ensure whether all the parameters you are choosing is correct. Normally okay, no problem. Click save button and just open a new and drawing or make a new drawing or assembly to create a drawing sheet. You have to export all these this 3D object into a 2D or isometrical view of view in the drawing sheet for a better understanding for a manufacturer. Here you can see in the nameplate base flat fixture is came that name. These parameters are all you just double click and edit it, no problem. Now I am simply showing you that view palette is appearing in right side. Just click and drag the views, what are all the views required. I am choosing top view, side view and the isometrical view. So in here a sectional view is required for the front elevation. For that purpose I am now going to delete that front elevation. Actually viewer, for designing a small part it will be a time consumption process, because each and every project will be lifelong objects will run with for a lifelong project. Video will be available in next part. Thanks for watching viewers. Please continue to our next part of the same video, which explaining the drawing sheet thoroughly. Thanks for watching, viewers.